Hi everyone, so today we are going to clean house. Well, tonight we're going to clean house. I did end up filming this at night. This is my nighttime routine when I had to clean my house. I don't do this every night just for the purpose of this video, but the majority of the time when I clean, I try to maintain it clean at night because I know in the morning when the kids wake up, they bring all their toys or whatnot. So right now I'm just taking advantage that they're up right now so they could help me pick up. Now when I do clean at night, I love having a little bit of coffee in me. It does give me a little bit of more energy. So in this video, I am just basically going to tidy up my living room. Usually when I really go in depth cleaning my house, my husband goes on it first. So he cleans let's say if I'm cleaning the living room, he'll clean the living room. And then I go back and then redo what he did. Let me know in the comments down below if that's what you guys usually do when your husbands help you guys clean. I just think it's so much easier when my husband helps me and then I redo everything because the house is basically already clean. I just dust my way. I haven't cleaned inside my couches like this for a week and I found all of this in one couch. Seriously. So I had to call my kids back. Luckily they're still up. They usually go to sleep like around 8:30 or 9. So I just tend to do the things that I usually make them do first. That way when I'm done, they could actually go to sleep and in bed, and then I could do the hardship stuff last. So as I'm tidying up, I need way more throw pillows and blankets on my couch. I don't like these couches because they are velvet and the design that I'm going for doesn't match my couches. So hopefully later on I get new couches, and hopefully when the kids are older, because right now they need a little TLC. Trust me, when you have kids, you do not want to buy a lot of expensive items. When I clean, I do listen to music. I listen to Pandora. I'm not really a Spotify girl. I don't really know how to use it, to be honest with you. But when I do listen to Pandora, I love listening to certain stations. Some of them are Adele, Lorde, Duffy, anything that relaxes me when I clean. I think sometimes when you listen to relaxing music or soft music, it really bumps up my spirit for some reason. If I'm feeling risky, I'll go for Nirvana, one of my favorite bands, and other playlists that I have. I'll list it down below so you guys could go ahead and follow me. I still find many items underneath this rug. I ended up getting this rug. I didn't show this on my previous video where I showed you my living room tour. I'll list it down below if you guys are interested. But this rug I actually ended up getting at Burlington. I think it was for $29.99. It was silver. Now it's like very gray. So I really need to deep clean this rug. This spray that I'm using to clean all my mirrors and windows, I ended up getting at Walmart. It doesn't leave any streaks. I do want to mention that I use all my cleaning products from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods. I don't tend to buy a lot of things that have, products that are damaging or that are harsh to the nose, if you know what I mean. So every time I get a chance, I do go get my cleaning supplies there. I did not show any in the video because unfortunately I ran out when I started filming this video. But if you guys are interested, please let me know, and then I will post something on Instagram or on my next videos coming up on my favorites if you guys want to see it. So just go ahead and comment down below if that's something you guys are interested in. I did end up getting several questions regarding this vase, the white one that I'm actually cleaning right now. I ended up getting this one at Home Goods. If you guys are interested in it, I'll try to link it down below if I do find it. It's really hard to link anything from Home Goods, Marshalls, and TJ Maxx because their items are very limited. So like I said in my previous videos, if you don't find one thing in one TJ Maxx, go to Home Goods and Marshalls. They are sister stores, so they do resemble so many items that they have in one store. If you guys are interested in seeing my coffee table book collection, please leave a comment down below and I will do a video on it. I am trying to film so many home decor idea videos that I have in mind, but I just don't have time. So every time that I have my days off from work, I always tend to either edit or film. So just be patient with me, you guys, but do comment down below if you guys want to see a video regarding this. This corner drives me crazy. I put my Christmas tree here every single year, but at the end of the year, as you could tell, it's just purely empty. It's too much white. There's too much cables. I don't like the way that the PS4 looks. It just drives me crazy. I do have an idea what to put here. I am gonna order this on Amazon hopefully this weekend, my idea, and I actually don't have my living room like this anymore. I did change it up. If you are like me and change your living room up like every other week, please let me know so I know that I'm not as crazy. But I ended up getting this chair at Goodwill. If you guys are interested in tidying up, if you like decorating or refurnishing items, go to Goodwill or thrift store. You guys should already know this. If you guys have a lot of time in your hands, definitely hit up a thrift store and restore items there. You could even actually sell them for a better price. I actually still have the price tags on these candle holders. They were $49.99 each. I ended up getting them at HomeGoods. I filmed my living room decor after this, so I had to leave this on, but they are off now, and unfortunately one of my kids ended up breaking one, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to fix it. I ended up buying these because I don't want them to be used as candle holders. I want them to have flowers inside, so either way I'm still going to use them. I just haven't found the right flowers. I'm really picky with my decor, especially since I have to look at my decor every single day. I want everything to be really nice and fine and perfect. And that is it, you guys. Thanks so much for joining me and watching me clean my house. I wish it was this easy to actually clean my house. It takes me longer when I actually deep clean my house, but I hope you guys like it. I will have the link to my living room tour down below. If you guys want to see much more, please leave a comment and like and subscribe to my channel, of course. I will see you guys extremely soon. Thank you.